Sandy knows this already. And I love you very much. I would not have turned out the way I have had it not been for your guidance and your love. Thank you for your beauty. Mom, I didn't have a perfect setup.
Yes.
But you know, Mom, I was really happy as a child. I owe the happiness of my childhood to you and Daddy. I'm so blessed to have had parents like you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you very much.
I know you have done, but I admire you also as my good daughter that had protected yourself from bad to good reputation.
Oh, I tried.
I know, it's hard.
I tried. It's hard, Mom.
Ano bang mabuti ay mahirap gawin. Ang masama, madaling gawin. Mahirap magpakabuti.
Oo nga.
Ano bang mabuti ay mahirap gawin. Ang masama, madaling gawin. Mahirap magpakabuti.
Oo nga. Mommy, thank you. Thank you.
I love you so much, darling. You're the only daughter of my life. And the rest of my life, I want to spend with my grandchildren and you. Kuya and you are the only precious thing in my life.
I love you,
I love you.
Na ilang tinig
Ay kaya kong tapakan. Yan ang paraan upang landas mo'y masundan. Kahit ilang ulit ako'y iyong saktan, hindi kita maaring iwanan. Ay aking aawitin hanggang ang ibig mo'y maging ibig mo na rin. Kahit ilang dagat ang dapat tawirin, higit man yan ang aking gagawin.
Mga kaibigan, that's my mommy. That's where I get it from. Akala ko beach na meron. More mommy songs when Sharon returns. Let me be with my mom for a while. Don't go away. Exchange flowers.